Here's our stock in focus, and I like to periodically go back and see stocks that have been, favorably looked at, or that really have not played out accordingly, because I think that you can really learn a lot from it. Here's Facebook, and we have profiled this several times, and I can really there's other ways to kind of really define this in a greater way, a little more dramatic, but I think the most important aspect of this, just to watch the price action, is you could see right off the bat, that you're really seeing a dramatic drop, and we've talked about this before in one of the other videos, but you could see right from the start here, it tries to rally here and can't. It can't break over 45. It really sells off and closes really low for the day. Then you see the gap down for the next day. This really tells you this is where you really, if you're going to exit, that's where you want to exit, because you see the gap down, there's a lot of selling pressure coming into this, and it shouldn't be, if in all intents purposes. A lot of times there's a lot of normal selling on an IPO, but something that's supposedly so desirable, that's not normal characteristic. Normally characteristic, you want to kind of at least be a little concerned with that. And then you start to see this trying to rally back. It can't. You can see the almost like an ABC pattern here. You see this pretty quick move, and now you start to see it trying to come back, and it can't really do that. And then you see it failing right from the swings. If you just even take a good look right back at that initial swing on this, you could see that it stops right at the prior swing highs, right at that 33, 34 range. So you would be saying to yourself, well, unless it breaks 34, we're not seeing really anything. We're seeing a reactive move from such a decline. It's all I think it's all in your perception of what is really taking place here. So your expectation should be a retracement from this initial move, not a return to old highs, and that's the expectation is the important thing. Then you see this kind of quick move here, and then you see this return. This is almost like a one wave and then a two, and then you're starting to see this three, pretty big corrective move. Then you see the four, and then you see the 5 move. Now you're starting to see this trying to recover here, but it starts to gasp here, and then you're seeing it continue the downward trend or the downward influence here, and then you see easy divergence in the tops here as this is trying to rally. You're not seeing the confirmation with momentum. This